2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 13, 14, 20. Come on, let's have a talk, Kwame. Come on. What did you do this morning, Kwame? Ha? Nag-play kayo ni Ate Hana?
Do trampoline.
Trampoline?
McDonald's.
Nag-ano kayo? Bending machine? Nag-play kayo bending machine? Did you get something?
Yeah, got the toys.
Okay. And then, when you got to do? Did you had fun playing with Ate Hana?
Yeah.
Okay. You wanna go with Ate Hana again tomorrow?
Yeah.
Call her, okay? Sige. Bye-bye.
It's Hati Hana.
Love you.
How it's red?
Ha?
Hati Hana, both to us.
Sige. Sled?
Yeah.
Sige. Okay. Bye-bye na. Turn it up na.